Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain you about this breadth first search and depth first search, BFS and DFS. So it is a graph where only limited is there and two operations are there. So what it will do, it will visit the node. Okay. So we have to visit the node, same like in order, pre-order, post order, something like that only. So this follows the linear order, that is queue form, and they had given a definition here. Breadth first search is a strategy for searching in a graph where search is limited essentially to operations. First we have to visit, then next we have to explore it, gain access to visit the nodes that neighbor the currently visited node. Meaning of this is what? First we have to visit the node and then we have to explore the node. So how? I'll just tell you the example of that. This is the graph they had given, that is the breadth first search. Okay, so now we have to visit the node first, that is node is what? This is the first node, we have to visit that. Next we have to explore that. We have visited it. Exploring means what? We have to check whether this node is connected to which all other nodes. One is 4 and another node is what? 2. So first node, this vertex is there, is connected to 4 and 2. Okay, so visiting and then exploring. Visiting, then we have to find out which one is connected. 4 and 2 is connected, we have explored it. Understood? So like that we have to write here 1 visited. Next we have explored it, that is 4 and 2. Sorry, 4 and 2 we have explored it, and we have to draw the diagram here like this in the same form of tree type. Visited and explored. This is the 1, 4, 2. So we have visited now 1, 4 and 2. Now comes to the part of this one we have visited and it has been explored. Okay, next we'll move to the fourth one. Now we'll move fourth one, we'll visit it and we'll explore it. Exploring, I just show the red mark here. Explore means what? Where it is connected. 3 it is connected, we have to put here 3. So here what you have to do, you have to make it in a tree form. So 3 we have visited. Understood? So next this portion is completed, 1 and 4 is completed. Next is 2. 2 is visited. Now we'll visit the 2 node and we have to explore that 2 node. 2 is connected to where? 5, 7 and 8. So we'll explore it. 5, 7, 8. So now what we have to do? Same thing. This is the 5. And we have to draw it like this. This is this 7. You can forward it that 2x 3x will be there. See in YouTube you can forward and you can do this, like, because you cannot wait while I am drawing like this. 5, 7 and 8, it is done. Okay, like this we have to draw. Okay, now 2 is visited, it is done. Next we'll move to the 3. So 3 is visited, now it has to be explored. Explored means what? 3 is connected to which one? 10 and 9. So here we have to make it as 10 and 9. So I'll copy the same thing, I'll paste. Here it is 10. Nine. So we 10 and 9 is been visited. Now just check, 3 is explored. Next is 5th one. 5th we have to visit. So 5th is connected to 7. See, we have to explore it. 5th is connected to 7, it's already there. 5th is connected to 8, it's already there. 5th is connected to, it's already there, everything is there. Then what remains? Sorry, we forgot to 3 is visited to 9 and 10. No, we forgot to write here. We'll write here 9 and 10. Okay, so next 5th is there, we have to visit and we have to explore it. So to explore this, 5 is connected to 7, 8, 2 and 6. 6 is not yet explored, we'll put there. So now 5u is there, whereas that 5 is here. Then what you have to do, we have to make the connection of 5, that is like this. Understood? In this way we have to draw the diagram of DFS. So rest all other nodes I have already visited. See, 7, then if we start visiting, 5 is now explored. Next if we start visiting 7, 7 is connected to 5u, 8 and 2. Yes, 7 is connected to where? 5u, 8 and 2. So what you have to do? 7, we have to make a dot dot line and you have to connect like this, 5u, 8. Okay, so basically we have to draw this diagram. This is the BFS diagram, breadth first search diagram, they has to stay. And we have to solve like this only. This is the queued part. Okay, then we'll move to the 8, 9, 10, 6, like that. Done. So like this you have to solve in the exam also. You have to write this in the exam, draw this in the exam. Okay, thank you one and all.